Do you find it's easy to convince businesses that this is the way of doing it? It feels like a sort of similar thing, like get some good technology, you're going to be better at business, like hire the best people, you're going to be good at business. Get everyone to be better at innovation, that's going to be good for business. Do you, when you're speaking to companies, do you kind of make this more tangible? Well, what are the kind of outcomes that you're sort of telling insurers they're going to get from this?
Yeah, well, we are kind of, in the same way that the market, has leaders and followers, we see organisations who are really at the forefront of this, and then others who are still, waiting to see. But essentially, if you embed if you have talented people and yet your model is not changing, they're still focusing on traditional risk, and it's not seeing any sort of there's no roadmap to extend those products or offering, what's going to happen? They're going to lose interest. They're going to not be engaged. So lots of forward-thinking organisations know that to retain their talented people, they have to give them interesting topics and interesting education to be able to energise and put those brilliant minds to brilliant work. Old concepts are going to keep getting old business, and old business, old business is, well, it's not going to grow, is it?
No, it's right. And I think there's a bit of companies are sort of not hiding behind, but the hard market is masking, I think, a little bit of where you've got these leaders and laggards. When a hard market, everyone's happy and making money. When the market probably inevitably turns, then it's gonna change around a little bit. And I guess we'll see the ones who are sort of embracing this. And have you seen? Probably can't go into too much detail with the companies in particular, but what sort of really great examples have you seen where people have gone away and changed the way they're doing things and are innovating more? Have you got some examples of where you've seen this sort of actively happening in the market?
Yeah, absolutely. There's lots of examples of where innovation is happening in the market. We tend to look at it as a an overarching entity, don't we? So we're kind of like, well, it's slow to turn. But if you look, so one of our Digital Minds alumni, a guy called Alistair Blundy, fantastically innovative mind, aviation underwriter, now CEO of Skyrisk. Skyrisk is a great example of where insurance sees trends and themes of their their sort of traditional market and see how it's growing. So you look at something like Skyrisk, which is now back with capacity from Convex. They are looking to provide capacity for advanced mobility in the aviation sector. Really, really, really fascinating. So somebody like Alistair and Skyrisk, they understood the problem. They understood that there is a need to offer protection for that evolving marketplace. What we're looking to move to 100% electric aircraft. Not sure I'm going to go on holiday on one of those anytime soon.
Okay.
But, electric aircraft, autonomous aircraft cargo, vertical takeoff and landing. This market sector is growing, and a traditional underwriting product isn't going to cut it. So you've now got, an MGA that's just been launched, great capacity, great expertise. So now in the London insurance market, we are able to offer protection for that emerging marketplace, and potentially, certainly, maybe it's one of the only capacity offerers right now. So you're certainly a leader, and will continue to grow. Another example, we've got MIC Global, Syndicate at Lloyd's, offering embedded insurance via digitized and AI platforms. So again, growing and growing. The ability to offer banks and other financial services access to the London insurance market via embedded products, via fully automated processes. Those things are out there and have been established for quite some time, but we're just not shining the light on them.